Folks, today we're talking about the article that just came out in the media about this bank that's been fined $18 million for allowing dealerships to mark up the interest rate on minority loans. I gotta tell you folks, I'm not real happy with the way the media spins things, because this is definitely a spin. Would you agree?
I agree, because it's not only minorities that they've been marking the rate up on, they actually do it to every person that walks into a dealership.
So why do you suppose it's minorities that show a greater number of times that this happens to them?
They tend to be the ones that are a little bit more unaware or naive in certain situations.
They just don't know.
I mean, especially the credit thing and the interest rate at a dealership.
I mean, they don't give you, I don't mean to interrupt you.
No, yeah.
They don't give you this whole credit thing in school, how credit works. So how are you supposed to know? You're supposed to trust the people that are professionals. I mean, look at the whole mortgage debacle in 2007, 2008, right? There was that minority lady who worked for mass transit, and she made a reasonable income, $50,000, $60,000, I don't remember what it was, but she signed up for a $600,000 mortgage. I mean, give me a break. You know what I mean? She thought she was being guided, but she signed one of those 228 mortgages. If you don't know what that is, the first 2 years it's a very low interest rate and a very low payment, and then after 2 years, ooh, guess what? Surprise! The real number comes out, but you're stuck with that for 28 years. And this is what a lot of people did. I actually, believe it or not, signed one of these things myself before I got into the mortgage business and learned about it. So it's not a matter of the dealerships or the banks going after a particular minority group. It's just that there are certain people that are not aware.
Exactly, and especially when you're in the seat, folks, you know, whether you're elderly, whether you're minority, what have you, if you're in a situation and the salesperson is pushing something on you, they're making you feel like your credit really isn't that good.
Which they do.
You're feeling like it's your only option, you're under the gun, you're like, maybe I do need to pull the trigger. This is my only option.
I need a car.
I need a car.
I got to get to work tomorrow.
Exactly.
Whatever the situation.
But in all reality, that's why myHopscotch.com is here, so you know that you have options. We want to make it best for your particular situation and let you have a good experience altogether. And we enjoy kind of pushing the dealers around a little bit, kind of returning the favor. So, yeah, I like it.
You know, we like to give tips, and today's tip is credit unions. You'll hear me talk about credit unions a lot, but dealerships cannot mark up the rate on a credit union because credit unions are under different federal banking laws than regular banks. I know everybody thinks that they're the same, but they're not. And we've talked about that in other blogs, so please check them out. But if you are pre-approved with a credit union, or when you're at the dealership and you say, I'd like to get approved with a credit union, whatever the rate is that you get approved at, that's it. The dealership can't mark it up. They get paid a flat from that particular lender. But that's a safe way to go.
Very safe way to go. And that's really why we're here. We just want to inform you, empower you to have options. That way you're not limited to only a few things that the dealer is supposedly telling you. But check out our blogs, as Mr. Black was saying. Watch our videos. Just keep up with what we're doing. We really want to give you all the needed information. Until next time, folks, Mr. Black and Mr. White. See you next time, folks.
See ya.